You won't believe what a $20 part can do to silence that annoying idle knock forever. NPR's Car Talk once cited a case where a faulty knock sensor costing less than $30 mimicked several engine issues. Replacing it restored performance instantly, yet many shops go straight to the high-ticket fixes. Here's 4 pro tips on what to check before paying thousands. Knock sensors often fail silently, sending false engine signals. PVC valve, if clogged, causes rough idle and knocking. Idle air control valve keeps idle smooth, is cheap, and often overlooked. And fuel injectors. A clogged fuel injector can mimic a knock. Use cleaner or have them serviced. Stop burning money on parts you don't need. Follow for more car care tips. Check the profile for recommended resources and share this with someone who needs to know.